Alright guys, so it is Sunday night. I think it's around 7:43 p.m. and I'm just looking at the futures, and we do have some plays upcoming next week. Market was really choppy. However, I do want to talk about what the game plan is for next week. So let's talk about Dow in the overall market in general. So I do have Boeing. However, when I do see this DIA chart, it put a reversal on Thursday, and then we had confirmation on Friday. However, the RSI is already at 70, so I think the max we can go for DIA is if we break above this 332.86, we do have potential to hit 340.33. So that's why I'm in Boeing, and let's look at QQQ, which is basically our tech stocks. So as you guys know, tech stocks have been beaten to death. Like, they haven't really been climbing. However, we did put a reversal candle on Thursday. This is a 3 candle formation reversal. So if there's something to run after, like when the Dow stocks loses momentum, like Boeing, Caterpillar, we have to be looking at tech stocks because this one's still lagging a little bit, and it's lagging compared to SPY. So if you look at SPY right here, like, we are getting up here to the RSI. So if you look, every time it peaks up here, it always falls off. So I think SPY will get rejected right here at the breakout line. I mean, we're not sure yet, but I think it will pull back. So if SPY does pull back, let's just say we get a gap up on Monday, gets rejected, we have to look at QQQ. So with QQQ, our charts would be Microsoft and Facebook. So if you look at, so I guess here, let's look at all our charts. So we're already in BA. The buy zone was right here. I think I have May contracts. Let me take a look. I believe I have the May 270s. I think I got it for a little bit cheaper because right now I'm up 9%, I believe. So that one is, we are in for swing. But after BA, Microsoft, if you look in here, this is a engulfing candle. Our target should be 246. Like, since that's the high, I think we'll just blow past this. Like, right now we're stuck in a box consolidation. It's been going up and down. Oops, I'm sorry. So it's been going up and down over here. However, if we do break out of the zone, this is basically your next zone. So take these guys off. So what you have to do is you just pull your fibs. You just mark this, and right here, see, we had a proper retracement to the 61.8, and from the 61.8, it's just been bouncing around. So if we get into Microsoft, since you want to buy right here at 61.8, or you want to buy above 78.6. First target's right here, next target's right here. However, we obviously missed it, right? So if you're aggressive, you can just go ahead, buy over the high, and your stop loss would be down over here, or negative 30%. So let's go take this guy off. So that's your buy, that's your stop. This is your strong support. If you miss this, you can buy over this day. Our first target's 246.13. Over that, we're on a breakout. We're gonna see 255.40. And then Facebook is the exact same thing. We put a very green candle last Friday. So this is your buy zone at 281.82. Our first target's 292.10, and then basically $300, and then 310. So if I look at Facebook, and the RSI is at 50. So if tech starts to rip, you have to look at Facebook first. So if we look at contracts, I would either get May or June. If you're going on June contracts, you just want to find the 30 delta. So let's see if the delta's right here. So 30 delta is 310, I believe. However, if you look over here, you'd also hold long term to 310. So that would be a super good play if you plan to buy and hold. If you go to May, it's fine, 30 deltas. about 305. So I wouldn't do that because I would just that's not even hitting price target 1. So I would definitely look closer to I would go closer to June. The 305s does look good. Let's see. JP Morgan earnings is around the corner. I think 2 weeks from now. We had a engulfing candle and we had a hammer yesterday. So if this goes over this line on Monday, we're gonna go buy over 155.45 and the price target's 165.23. I would definitely go May's or June's, and I can go 160s or the 155s. Like the bid spread right now is pretty bad. However, at actual market, I think this is only like 20 wide, so it's a pretty good spread. Cat, just like Boeing, buy zones right here, stop losses right here. If you missed it, 230 is your buy zone, and we do have room to move right here. It's just like it just got over the 50 RSI. Okay, Cat and Spy. Like I said, Spy. If we get rejected right here, just wait for a new pattern. However, this could push all the way to 405. I don't think we're gonna be pushing to 405 this week, but market's been crazy. It's been up and down. But my bias is if Spy gets rejected, we go into Qs. But if Dia gets on a breakout, we stick to Boeing, JPM, and Cat. So yeah, that's the analysis for a week. So I'll just keep an eye out of these guys. I'll let you guys know on Facebook when I get in. So right now I'm just holding BA, and I think last Friday I did say BBY, and this one already took off. We wouldn't buy it anymore because we missed last Friday was the entry, but yeah. If you guys want to see something else, like just let me know what you guys are looking at. I'll take a look at it. Just make sure you ping me on Facebook, because sometimes like with all the notifications I get, I don't see like what's going on. I get like notifications from like 5 different channels. So yeah, or shoot me a message. Actually, it's the easiest way to see your messages. So yeah, have a good week. Hopefully we kill it this week, and I'll see you guys in a bit.